Alright, for those of you who have not changed the door handle on the 2014 Jeep Compass, I'm going to show you how it's done really quickly. So, the door handle broke right here, won't open. I opened it to the inside. Alright, so right behind this weather stripping right here, we're going to pull it to the side. You're going to see two holes. Down right there, down right there. It's got two bolts. One bolt in there. You can see it too well, I don't have it right now. But I'm going to show you. So you're going to remove those two bolts and you're going to free up the door handle. And it's going to be an 8mm socket. Here's my socket set, so I'm going to be using the screwdriver where you just go ahead and put a socket on there. We'll get the 8mm. So I just used my 8mm socket and I went ahead and took out both of them already. There's the other one. Put them right there so I don't lose them. And there it is. Let's remove those two screws. In the nuts on this one. On this one right here. It took a little bit of wiggling, but it came out. So you're pretty much gonna have to just remove that yellow lock on there. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll show you guys the end product. Okay, so I just removed the old door handle. That's what the lock's gonna look like. And all it's gonna do is that point, it's gonna go into here, lock into place. Let me go ahead and do that. Alright guys, and that is the finished product. Everything's back together. There you go, there you have it.